The objectives of the forum will be to formulate the structures for cooperation between Constitution Commissions, independent offices, and other oversight bodies, coordinate and collaborate in the implementation of recommendations made to them in their oversight capacity, build a mechanism for follow-up on implementation of recommendations, and report back to Parliament and County Assemblies on the status, and institute a roadmap for pursuit of possible administrative, legal, and policy actions and changes which may be required to enhance accountability.
And the only way that this will work is, of course, respecting each organization's mandate, as much as we are interdependent, and we will have to coordinate and cooperate. The mandates of each institution has to be very clear. For example, I know it's a noble proposal that we can sit in Parliament or have representation in Parliament, but these are going to be questioned in court, because then the independence of the various organizations that are within the framework will be put in question. So each person or each institution will have to play their role at the appropriate time. If Parliament is satisfied and has completed its role, then it can pass the reports for the next set of action.
Us, as the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, we will always remain firm. We will always remain firm because, by nature, we will always be called names, always be said, "You are not fair." But the fairness can only come about when you see the outcome of the investigations and proper action has been taken. Not about why has my case been taken up first and then there is another case which has not been handled. It's a question of how the reports would come about and how the investigations will be initiated.